Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to the North End. We're here at 392 Anderson. It's a great little block, family friendly, a lot of pride of ownership on this street. But let's talk about this adorable little house right behind me here. We've got 2 bedrooms on the main floor. We've got a loft bedroom upstairs, updated kitchen, brand new appliances. We've got an updated bathroom, just updated, paint's updated throughout inside, main floor laundry. We've got updated electrical, we've got a high efficiency furnace, updated plumbing. So many great updates, and you're gonna love the backyard. Let's go take a look. One of the fantastic things about having a 155-foot deep lot is you get a really large backyard. And I mean, look at the depth on this yard. It's a fully fenced-in yard. You've got a sliding gate for your vehicles. You can fit probably 4 cars back there. And you know what? You've got so much potential here. You have a bonfire area. You've got an oversized shed. You can do a garden. Well, I guess that's going to conclude our tour here at 392 Anderson. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.